Gagayo! Gawa mo na lang video mo lang doon. Teme sa mesa. Pero sa loob meron. Ito yung kasama ko, mama, saka kuya, saka ako. Ayun lang. Wala si papa, nang work. Mamaya pa yung uuwi saan? Yung sa gabi. Mamaya pa kasi si papa sa'yo.
And 4 years later, his reactions are still priceless, showing us what pure excitement looks like as soon as he spots his dad in the crowd. His dad gets the best reactions from his son every time he...
I saw someone with the Taylor Swift Tiny album I wanted. So I asked if she wanted to trade with me. Oh my God, she said yes. I'm so happy. This is so cool. I saw someone with
Isang bagay. Never.
Discover what...
Ay, kasi nga pala. Wow! Ha? Sabi. Tapakan ka ta. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys! Tapos na ako. Vlog. Isambal. Bagay. Ito pa pakita ako! Mama, nangat na!
Huwag ka pala malalaki gamit to. Uy, ilagay mo daw to sa kwarto. Ginagamit lang. Dumiyak ka.
Okay. Yeah. Isambal. Dino, kore ko para. Sarap ng ulam, tignan lang. Kunin ko yung tabaw, tapos inumin ko. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo guys. Wow, sarap. Matiningan. Dito naman siya. Dito naman. Hala. Tara,